are here at Breakfast Club. Breakfast daw kami kasi magbabiyahe kami going to LA. That's 2.5 hours drive from San Diego to LA. So, breakfast muna kami. Heavy breakfast kami today. Yeah. What you doing? Matthew, what you doing?
Hey. Where's Bingo? You can see Bingo.
What are you playing? Daming tao. May pila pa. Daming tao. Haba na ng pila. Dito kami sa street. Kasi wala na, punuan na sa loob. We're just still waiting for our order. Then we're gonna go to LA. That's 2.5 hours drive from here. So, kailangan namin mag-breakfast. We're still waiting for our order. We've got our coffee, milk, and then the ate, that's ube latte. We've got our food. Here's mine, the protein combo. Then Sammy, and then for ate, mashed potato. Coffee. So cute. Let's eat.
$2,000 years later.
Hello guys, we are here in Los Angeles, in LA. Punta kami ng USC. Anong pangalan niya? Ay be? USCI?
Southern California.
University of Southern California. Magtutour lang kami dun sa school. Yung school na gusto niya. Matthew, there's a bus, the school bus, look. School bus. That's parking. Ha? Hindi, may bayad yan. No, not there. We still have to walk. No, not there. We're not going there. Yeah, I'm here. Go. Lululemon.
Lululemon is
Yes, see. Go inside. Yung ano nila, Yung mga merch sila dito. Ito pala mga small dito. 51.98 USD. Here's our outfit. Yung favorite ko na Halara pants. Meron ako ibang kulay nito eh. Here's our outfit for today. Favorite shoes nowadays. This one. Kami ng Coke tsaka chocolate milk. Buffet. Mga dahil mga merch sa USD. We just bought drinks and then she bought her blouse, her shirt. And then we're going back on tour. Ikot-ikot kami dito. We're not gonna dance.
What's this right here? Over here. What's this over here? I'm gonna sing.
Ito yung gusto nyo. Ha? Diretso na. Here. True. Come on here. Wait for ate. Building yan, ang ganda.
Village.
Ah, yun na yung The Village.
Open lang yan.
Picture kita dito, be? Bakit?
Okay.
Here at the village, still in USC.
There's some water there. Are you peeing?
Natin. We're going inside the Trader Joe's dito sa USC. Tapos may Target din sila. Dito sa loob ng school. Tapos may mga kainan doon. Tapos may coffee shop. Tapos bumili lang kami ng Vietnamese coffee. And then kay ate matcha. Wala akong diet ngayon. Nagsusugar tayo. Babaw ulit. Pag-uwi. Plumeria na flower. Yung favorite ko. Dati, yan yung gusto kong pabango. Meron sila dito. Yung totoo. Ngayon lang nakita ang totoong plumeria. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, olive. Oh, $10.99. Tapos palalakihin mo na lang siya, no? Mura na yan. Pero mga ilang taon kaya bago lumaki ng makalaki. Sasayin yung Target. Ayan, dito may puno kaya. O, dito. Insomnia cookies. Yan. What's that? Ooh.
Nakakain ko. Ito yung mura.
$1.50. $1.50. Here sa, ewan ko saan to. Basta may Filipino food dito. Pero naghahanap kami, baka meron pa kami makita kung ano meron. What's this? Damson. Pero walang wala nakalagay kung magkano. Ito hot pop and kebab. Oh, wala na. Yun na yun. Wala na, yun na yun. Merong stairs pa baba. Ito siguro nakalagay na na price. Kung mura ba siya or ano ba. Ito, the boiling crab. No blue crab, no Dungeness, no. Wala na dyan. Wala tayo? Open naman sila, di ba? Kasi iba close eh. No. Ano ko? Korean dumplings pala. Boiling. Dito tayo sa Nery's Filipino food. We've got our food. Sisig for daddy. Bistek Tagalog for ate. Sa akin wala pa, yung barbecue na lang. Naglalaro yung bata ng tubig. Hi! This is Nery's Filipino restaurant here sa LA.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky.
Hello guys, it's our last day here and we're checking out now. We're ready. Kapag check out na kami sa TV. So, diretso na kami sa parking. And then, we'll go to UTC. This is our outfit for today. And yung bata, excited na lumabas. Ayan, kinukulit na ako. See you later. Bye, hotel. Thank you. Nothing na? Na-check na lahat?
Where's the car?
Left nothing here. Sure. Nothing on the floor. Nothing here. Hala. Hindi ka malimutan ng shoes. Bye, hotel. Okay, go.
It's in the Philippines. And that's it.
Say bye. Can you say bye? Bye, hotel.
Bye, hotel.
Bye to our room. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you again later.
See you later.
Can you look here?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Together.
Say bye. Bye. Thank you. I don't know. Where did he go? Hello guys! We are here at Westfield UTC again. Drop by lang kami sa Uniqlo and then dito na kami magla-lunch before heading out to drive again going back to Arizona. So, 6 hours drive. 5 to 6 hours drive ulit yun from San Diego to Arizona. We're here to eat lunch. Ikot-ikot lang. And then, alis na din. Matthew, where are you? Where are you, my love? Parang mas madaming tao ngayon, no? Sabay gabi na kasi tayo pumunta last time, you know? Ang cute ng patio. Let's walk! Matthew, let's walk!
No.
Oh, no. Himala, ayaw mag-walk. Nakantok na yan. Ng energy na si Matthew. Naubos na sa hotel. Ganda ng weather, no? Lakad-lakad ka lang dito. Init na nga. Kesa sa Arizona.
Ulit. Atleta.
At saka yung ano, Vuri. That's so far. Yes. Hay dilaw? Hay dilaw ulit.
Hindi tayo mag-lunch. Hindi na siya talking.
Oo. Eh, di ba sabi mo ano? Out of way na yung balik-balik.
Hindi. Ito yung out of way.
Kaya nga. Ah.
Ito makadalang Pacifica.
Uniqlo.
Diba?
Inside. Wala kasing Uniqlo sa Arizona eh. Galing. Pwede ka maggawa ng sarili mong design. So, nagdi-design ako para mayroon kami ditong memories. Remembrance here sa San Diego. Dito kami pala sa Uniqlo. So, you can put your own image. You can put... Then you can choose what you want. Let's try again. Get the... Here, daan sa Uniqlo. Ito na kaming food court para kumain. Ito yung nabili namin sa Uniqlo. Tote bag na maliit na may San Diego. Tapos, 2 blouse. Para kay ate tsaka para sa akin. Then, we're going inside na. We're gonna look for food for lunch. What's that? Wraps, poke, biryani, Panda Express, Charlie's, pasta, mini donuts, wings, sushi. Ano meron doon? Ayan mga burger. Hintay sa baba kaya para ano. Nakikute the mini donut company. Bili tayong donut dyan. Ano ito? Sukihara, Japan. Parang gusto ko yun. Tapos may Sbarro doon. Nice rice. Korean. Dito tayo sa baba. Sana oh. Dito tayo. May?
Ano ba? One?
Oo, ayan. Ayun, sige dun sa corner na.
Ano yung couch?
Ayaw. It's down here. Ice drink. Let's see. Ayaw ba dito? Ano yan? Burger. Swagyu burger. Ayaw ba ta? Charlie's. Release day. Panda Express. So, Ito yung mga mini donuts. 4-pack, 12-pack. Bili tayong donut. Ito. Suki Hanap. Spiral. Ito, nice rice. Korean naman to. Crispy dumpling, sabi, bulgogi. Kaya 16.99. Sweet and spicy, crispy tofu. Mr. Protein to service. Ganun. Gusto mo dito, ikaw? Ha? Okay. We've got our food, beef teriyaki, honey garlic, say for daddy. And for ate, ano yung ate? Bulgogi ate. We still hot, my love, okay? Kain tayo.
Along the way, I'll use my supercomputing powers to transform you into actual comic superheroes.
Okay.
Select a
This ba, yung Spider-Man? Saan yung Spider-Man? Dalawa lang? Cover. Choose your cover. Story cover. That one? Okay.
Choose your adventure.
Spider-Man! Yay! Spider-Man with ate!
Spider-Man.
We're gonna take pictures with
I'll guide you
this
the
one.
entire way and direct you.
Okay, go. Ate will carry you. That's like, ah! Yeah, like that, okay? Yeah. Look in the camera here. Look in the camera here, okay?
Watch out for green gold.
There you go. Move, move, move.
3, 2, 1.
Ah! Look there in the camera, Ashu. Look here, here. Ah, like that. Ah!
Use the arrows to position.
Oh. Ay. Wait, hello. Okay, there you go. Next.
Shoot your web at Doc Ock.
So you web like what? Like that, web.
Action. Excellent teamwork. My supercomputer will now process this data and create your comic.
Skip.
Please wait. Data input. Please wait for the transformation.
Please wait for the transportation. Here. The prince will come on here. Ano kasi picture ko ba't yun?
Select your
Secure quantity daw. Ano yung maganda? Ay, ang cute! Ang ganda. Kayo ka mamili. Ano maganda? Pwede ba tagi-isa?
Ito na lang.
Sige mo nga, pwede mo nga. Pwede pala i-retake eh. Okay na yan.
10, 9.
1. Pwede tagi-isa? Okay. Isa lang.
I want a
Isa lang
card.
pwede.
I want a card. I want a card. I want a card.
Add ka pa ulit. Isa lang kada ano. Ay, pipiliin niyo. Ito lang. Sige.
I want a card.
Please wait while your comic is prepared.
Okay, wait here. You wait here. It's gonna come out here. Look. Wait there. It's gonna come out. You wait. Ha? Okay, let's wait. Now printing.
It's done. It's done.
Yeah, you have to wait. It will come outside. Let's wait here. Let's wait patiently, okay? Looks so pretty. Ganito siya kalaki, 6x10. Ang galing. It's not opening. You have to wait, still printing. Ano nangyari? There you go! There you go! Get it!
I'll get it.
Oh, there's Ghost Spidey too! Tingnan natin. Ang cute! Okay, come on! Can I see it? Can I check? Can I have a look? No? Any pictures nila. Ang cute. Okay, let's go back to the car, okay? Can I see?
2,000 years later.
We're here guys sa Star Bread. Bibili kami ng Señorita Bread. First time namin dito. Ito ba?
Yeah.
Ayan, sa loob. Pwede tayo. Ilan? Ayan. Iba yung price sa online. 25 pieces. $20. Ikaw. Tapos tingin ka pa ng iba. Hello po. May ube cheese roll din. Daddy, gusto mo ano? Chocolate guava, strawberry, Bavarian cream cheese. Ube. Ube, coconut. So, try natin. Ube at saka Bavarian. Tapos order tayo na. Okay, we got our breads here. We're gonna try. Pag masarap, we're gonna buy more. Because 20 pieces lang yung nabili ko. Okay, Daddy, you wanna try it first before we do it? Let's see. Nakabox ba kapag 20 pieces? Oh, nakabox din siya. Okay. Cheese roll. Let me see. Okay, good? Let's see. Oh, it's buttery. Sarap. Sarap.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
Oh yeah.
I want to go there.
On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand.
Hello guys! Dito na kami sa bahay. Sobrang nakakapagod din guys. So, hindi na ako magluluto. Gabi na rin. Ano oras na? Magna-9 na. Para dumating kami dito mga 8:35. So, gabi na kami nakauwi. Nagpa-deliver na lang ako ng Jollibee. Sobrang pagod na ang lahat. Ayan, nagpa-deliver na lang ako ng Jollibee. Para kakain na lang kami. Ayun, sarap niyan, pineapple juice. Anyways, ito lang yung in-order ko. Chicken joy lang, tapos cheese hamburger. Lang yan, pero total mo yung amount niya. Nasa $60 yan. 3,000 pesos. Okay, kain natin. Here we go. So, here's our food. Tagto 2-piece chicken kami. Tapos may biscuit pala siyang kasama. Tapos side spaghetti, gravy, pineapple juice, tapos ito, ube pie. Tapos nag-order lang ako ng extra yum burger, extra gravy, dalawa. Tapos yan, same lang. Tapos kay ate, all original. Kain tayo. Last day of eating at night. Tomorrow, back to normal tayo. Back to fasting. Parang sarap ng ano nila, yum burger. Cheesy yum burger. Oh. Ano natin? Di kasi kami nakapag-Jollibee sa San Diego, kaya dito na lang. Kain tayo!